Welcome to Hovnanian's Four Seasons at Colts Farm, a new active adult 55-plus community in Farmingdale, New Jersey. Here, residents enjoy resort-style living just within reach of many local excursions and the Jersey Shore. Brand new homes include well-appointed interior finishes and show-stopping curb appeal. Choose from 7 home designs with 1 or 2 stories, each featuring first-floor owner suites, spacious kitchens with island, and great rooms flooded with natural light. Offered in the Palmera 2 home. Experience the Extra Suite Plus floor plan with separate private entry, ideal for hosting guests. Explore Hovnanian's exclusive looks, providing you a simple and transparent way to design your home with style. Choose from a collection of 4 distinct interior designs for your new home. When you choose the Colts Farm lifestyle, you get so much more than a home. With planned activities, you can enjoy a variety of social gatherings, exercise groups, or join a friendly game of pickleball or tennis. Living at Colts Farm gives you access to several daytime excursions, located just a few miles from the Garden State Parkway. Tee up at one of many golf courses nearby, or hit the beach for the day, which is just a quick car ride away. For the nature lovers, take a hike through the Henry Hudson Trail, or explore the local history at the Allaire State Park. Discover the lifestyle you deserve at Four Seasons at Colts Farm, where you can relax in a resort-style community with stunning, new, luxurious homes and endless amenities. For over 60 years, Hovnanian Homes has been the first name in lasting value, building in the most desirable communities around the country. Contact us today, and together, let's discover your new home at Four Seasons at Colts Farm.